How to back up your iPhone. Backing up your iPhone to iCloud is essential for protecting your data, including photos, messages, app data, and settings. To begin, check your iCloud storage by going to Settings, your name, iCloud, manage storage to ensure you have enough space. If needed, you can upgrade your storage plan. Next, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network, as iCloud backups require a stable connection. Enable iCloud Backup by navigating to Settings, your name, iCloud, iCloud Backup, and toggle it on. You can perform a manual backup by tapping Backup Now in the same menu. Wait for the process to complete and verify the backup by checking Manage Storage Backups for details like date and size. To ensure your data is always safe, set up automatic backups. These occur daily when your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi, plugged into a power source, and locked. If storage is limited, you can optimize your backup by selecting which apps or data types to include under Settings. Your name, iCloud, Manage Storage, Backups. Regular iCloud backups are crucial for data safety, easy device transfers, and peace of mind. By following these steps, you can ensure your iPhone data is always secure and easy to restore if needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.